Well, first things first, let's see if the new birds have gone to bed. Let's see if they followed the lead of everybody else. Made it back in to Gen Pop. Not seeing anybody outside. Not seeing anyone outside. Have a duck. Ducks. We have a turkey. Go on, girls. You need to move. Okay. Where's Kevin? Kevin, are you down low? Where is Kevin? Okay, well, let's keep looking out here. Was she in there and I just didn't see her? I'm not seeing any birds out here. There's a bunny. That doesn't really count. I'm not seeing any birds roosting on top of things. Okay, I must have just missed her. How did I miss a turkey? Let's try one more time. I didn't think she was in there. I just didn't check there for eggs earlier. Alright. Where is Kevin? Let's look carefully all over everybody. Is she up on the top? Oh, good grief. You looked so much like a chicken that I didn't know it was you. Well, I'm glad everybody made it to bed then. You were right in front of my face. I am tired. So you guys need to be over there. You want some help getting over? You want some help? There you go. Here you go. Yeah. Oh, you like being on my hand? That's okay. There you go. See how we did that? You want to do that too? That was easier. Okay, I'll call that a win. Thank you, chickens. And new roosters. All right. My goodness. I made a big mud mess for them today. I did that, didn't I, Cece? I made it muddy and goopy out here. Okay, well, I'm going to chase you all out so I can get things ready. Christoph, now, if Hercules is in here, you can't be mean to him. All right, everybody out. Let's go. Out. Out, out, out. Out, out, out. Out, out, out. Everybody out. Everybody out. Christoph, don't be mean. Hi, Louie. Back it up, buddy. All right, you guys hang out there. Give me just a minute. Hey, you clowns. Is everybody still dressed over here? Looks like we got 2 buck shields on. Okay, that's good news. Looks like they're still on appropriately. Hello, family. Move it back. That should do it. Come on, everybody. Gas on, you're in last, bud. No go left behind. Everybody in. Okay, that's interesting. Up here we have a escapee here. Are you one of our new ones? No, you're not. You're just a regular chicken. You're a regular Gen Pop chicken trying to escape for the night. Well, let's bring you back with everybody else. Where did you think you were going, huh? Here. I didn't put that other ramp up there. Maybe I don't really need it. Doesn't look like it. It's almost as if I've forgotten to give grain to somebody, huh? Oh, my poor family. I can tell from the size of you, you're starving. You never get any food. Poor baby. You guys already had yours. Good night, everyone. Good night, chickens. Good night, ducks. Good night, Kevin. Okay. I wonder if the other rooster made it in. Don't know. We'll take a quick scout around, see what we can see. There was a rooster who was way out behind Chicken Manor, what I saw when I was collecting eggs. And I'm going to bet they didn't make it in. But who knows? Maybe. I didn't see any chickens out there. Call that good. Just for fun. Oh, wait, I gotta go this way. Forgot about that. I'm looking out on the wood pile. Do I see any chickens? No. Nobody's sleeping out here. I'm looking for an orphaned rooster who got lost. Like that one right there. Huh. You don't look like you're comfortable. Since you'd like to be in Chicken Manor so much, you are welcome to join. And you are one of our new ones. And I thought about bringing 2 roosters down here. I just didn't get it done last night, so you certainly made that work out for me there, buddy. Thanks. You're a very nice guy. You're a handsome dude. Yeah, you are. You got some really beautiful colors in you. Nice sort of tan colors. Tell you what, I'm gonna poke you in this. Should we just check and see if there's another chicken in this box? There hasn't been the last few nights, but as long as I'm sticking you in. Oop. I think she's done. Okay. Here you go. I'm just gonna poke you in here tonight. Find your best place to lay down. And you get a good night's sleep in there. All right. Probably not a bad plan to take a walk around that interior area. Just confirm there's nobody else who got orphaned. Not a great time or place to be sleeping outside. Go away, bugs. Alright. Looks pretty quiet to me. That should do it for tonight. There's the moon. I know you can't see it in the water. I don't think the light's good enough, but the moon reflecting off the water tank. Good night.